Hello dear students, 26th November is coming very soon. This day is very important. As on this day we celebrate Constitution Day. 26th November is a day when Constitution is very important for the citizen as well as the country because it helps to build a good society in which we can live peacefully. So my dear students, I'm going to give you some information about Constitution Day and some importance of Constitution of our country. So let's begin. Constitution Day is celebrated in India on 26th November, and the date of 26th November holds great importance in history of Indian independence. In 1949, when the Indian Constitution was introduced, the Constituent Assembly greeted it with loud and prolonged cheers. The framework document or the books that guides the Indian government to work smoothly is called Constitution. Indian Constitution was prepared in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to be precise. It lays out the certain ideals that forms the basis of the kind of country that we as citizens aspire to live. It creates a framework in which what type of country we want to live in. A good people, better government. This kind of certain rules are given in our constitution. It tells us about the fundamental nature of our society. It includes an agreement on certain ideals that they all believe the country should uphold. And we should always follow these ideals that are given in our constitution. We should always mean to our word and take swear that we are going to follow the constitution. So now, like every day, we are going to read our constitution for everyone. I hope you all take this swear and become a good citizen in life. The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular democratic republic and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.